In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link via email. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing gmail.com in the address bar. Once your inbox is loaded, you are ready for the next step. Now, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen. Click on Compose to start drafting a new email. This opens a small window where you can create your message. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the link to. It's important to double-check the email address for any typos. This ensures that your email reaches the correct recipient. Next, in the body of the email, paste the link you wish to share. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Paste, or by using the shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. Your link is now part of the email content. This is a crucial step because it's the main purpose of your email. Here's a simple example to guide you. Paste something like https://example.com. Remember, a clear link helps the recipient understand where they will be directed. If you want to make your email look cleaner, you can make the link clickable text. Begin by typing the words "click here" or any phrase you prefer. Then highlight the text you just typed. Once highlighted, look for the Insert Link icon, which often looks like a chain link. Click the icon and a small window will pop up. Paste your URL into the field provided. This transforms your plain text into a clickable link. This step enhances your email's professionalism and readability. After you've added your link, it's time to fill in the subject line. The subject line should be clear and concise. For instance, you might type "Here is the link" or something equally straightforward. This helps your recipient know what to expect when they open the email. Finally, you're ready to send your email. Double-check everything to ensure all details are correct. Then click the Send button located at the bottom of the Compose window. This action completes the process and sends your email on its way. With these steps, you have successfully shared a link via email. Remember, each step is crucial for ensuring the recipient understands and can access the link easily. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.